To turn off Google Assistant on POCO C75, start by opening App Drawer and go into Google Application. Now click on this three dots in the right upper corner, basically your picture, go to Settings, and now you will have to go for Google Assistant. And if you have some kind of the connection issue, then you have to be sure that you are connected into Wi-Fi or, for example, mobile data. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna just turn on my Wi-Fi, and after a few seconds we have to click try again. If it is not working, then basically open Wi-Fi and select your network. Now when you are connected, just go back. As you can see, there's like some kind of the bug, so close this application and open it one more time. Now go to Settings again, go to Google Assistant, and from here scroll for General, and now you will have to click on this switcher and tap Turn Off.